So today I thought we were just going out to, you know, have some food and then go back to the house, and I walk out.
Eddie! Just down! Eddie! Oh my God!
I see my beautiful truck there that my mom got me, and I'm super happy about it.
Well, for one, it took me 6 days non-stop searching. Every time that I went to buy a car, on my way there they would sell it.
I love you guys.
Oh, are you crying?
Oh my God.
Fire it up! Fire it up! Fire it up, Eddie! Oh my God, I know it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Love it?
What's up?
I slept like 3 hours a night. I've been car searching forever. The night before last, about 4 in the morning, I found this truck. So I called her, set it all up, drove to Stockton with some friends, got it late last night, parked it here about 11 p.m. So of course it's like last minute, but it all worked out for the best. It's a 2003. He loves it, obviously, so yay.
Like, I don't know, it was the biggest surprise I've had in a long time, and I'm loving it for it. Mom, I just want to say thank you for this car. I appreciate it. You're gonna have to do this for me, and I appreciate it.
You deserve it. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Love you.
Oh, you're making your grandma cry.
If I were you, I'd take